passing that shit around. Nigga ain't want no plaque. Nigga want that key.
Okay then.
The fuck y'all niggas talking about, man? Man, come on, man. Everybody over there, everybody that seen the cars, my nigga. Come on, man. Before that car went under there, Rarri did say, Rarri put that shit in the see-through. In the see-through, let y'all niggas see a little bit. That everybody set up. The next day he came, it was showtime. It was showtime. Everybody done seen, son. He did what y'all niggas supposed to do. He let people see it. He let people see it the first time, the first day. A little show. When he came out that shit, playtime over. Playtime over. They came and got that man and say, pull up to the front house. Listen, call that homie, tell that homie pull up to the front house. That man say, I'm not going to the front house. I'm staying here with my nigga. I'm the one that said, Rarri, go. Rarri ain't even listen to me. Rarri still hard-headed now. He ain't listen to me. The big balls came and got him, nigga. Put that shit up there, my nigga. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga. Y'all seen that shit? I'm like, you going to the front? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. My dog going to the front. Next year, we going in that house.
Man, we did it. Florida, we did it, man. I'm out, but boy, Florida, man, we brought the motherfucking key back motherfucking home, man. They thought we weren't gonna do it. This is a two-peat. We gotta go for the three-peat, man. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Rarri motivated everybody, man. Y'all know what it is. You know what I'm saying?
We got 3 chains, homie, already. Florida got 3 chains.
Oh, yeah, you right. You right. It is a three-peat. You right.
Come on, man.
Yeah, you right.
We got 3 already, man.
Man,
3.
Florida to the motherfucking front.
Y'all nigga, y'all got 3 chains to Florida, man.
But come on, I don't think these niggas tripping that Florida though, man. They can't fuck with that Florida swag though, man.
Come on, man. Y'all got 3 chains, my nigga. I told y'all, Rarri ain't talking no more. Top 5 been talking, co-talking for everybody in Florida. If a nigga got a problem with it, let's have a stand on the street. Y'all know how we did that top 5 shit? Like your best car. Put them shit up. It was showtime. Like your best car, nigga. Like your hard top. Like your best car. Rarri can't talk no more.
Somebody calling my dog. Yo.
Nigga gotta like their best car. Rarri, whatchamacallit running 2. Them niggas gotta like their best car. And them shit was small. Goddamn, I be mad too. That big key. Everybody wanted that big key. I be mad too. But it is what it is. You still got a key. Right? You can't talk no more. Go chill with your family. You did it, homie. I ain't letting my dog talk no more. Same shit. Everybody went for the same thing. We both home with 3 people.